Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening.
Good
सबका
evening,
हो
sir.
गया चाय कॉफी? Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
टी की कॉफी? कितने लोग टी पीते? Raise your hands. Good evening, Purnima. Oh, Manit sir, good evening. Tea, coffee? Coffee lovers. अरे महिंदर is saying both sir. No habit. मेरे जैसे कोई मिल्क पीता ही नहीं है. No coffee, no tea, no milk. चलो everyone. अगर नहीं हुआ तो बना लो, रख लो. As I mentioned, SBR में आपको सुनना पड़ेगा ज्यादा. Yes. Okay, everyone. Once again, good evening. Good evening, Ishwar. Purnima, did you give any exam? SBL?
Yes, sir. I gave SBL.
How was the exam, ma?
Yes, sir. It was good, but tough
What?
than this attempt.
Why I don't know this? The previous call, everyone are saying it was tough. Huh? SBL? Many are saying it was tough, tough.
It was easy, but in June it was tough.
Huh, March it was easy. I know. June it was tough. Bouncer question was out of the box?
It was not like out of the box, but kind of application-based questions.
Application based. Oh.
In March attempt, we had something like role of NED,
Yeah.
that kind of questions. But here we didn't had any questions like that.
Okay, no issues there. Hoping that you clear the exam, okay?
Thank you, sir.
मैं तो पहले बोलता कभी SBL नहीं लेना चाहिए. You should never give SBL first, everyone. SBL you should never give first. अगर हो जाता तो हो जाता, नहीं तो हमें रह जाता पेपर. चलो everyone, then good evening, good evening, good evening once again everyone. So if you have joined late, so yesterday we have done which topic? कल कौन सा किया था? Conceptual framework.
Conceptual framework.
Let us revise that. Okay. So what are the important points? Important points only we will see everyone. Now the important point was regarding the recognition. As I mentioned, जब भी कोई एक standard start करते हैं, when we learn a standard, we learn 6 important points. The definition, recognition, measurement, presentation, disclosure, derecognition. Now IS and IFRS are based on what? The conceptual framework. Conceptual framework provides some basic principle like your holy book, and on this basis we are making the IS and IFRS. Now when coming to recognition, when should you record an element? When it provides useful information to the users. Useful information कब होगा? When it is relevant and faithful representation. Now relevant, what we say when sir uncertainty is very high, agar uncertainty is there and probability of inflow or outflow is less, in that case we will not record because the condition of relevant will not be satisfied. Faithful representation again says what? Measurement uncertainty. If you're not able to measure it, you will not be able to record. आप डेबिट क्रेडिट रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं कर पाओगे. अगर आपको एक जर्नल एंट्री रिकॉर्ड करनी, इफ यू वांट टू रिकॉर्ड अ जर्नल एंट्री एवरीवन, you should record what? You should know the value. Yes. Then I mentioned how to answer. Then coming to measurement basis. In measurement basis, again 2 points: historic cost and current value. Sir, how we will decide this? Here again, when we decide, we have to maximize the relevant and faithful representation. Sir, how we will maximize? 2 important points: characteristics of asset and liability, and the way in which asset or liability will contribute to the cash flow. As we have already done, cryptocurrency के लिए कौन सा method follow कर रहे थे अपन? Fair value. And that difference was going to P&L or OCI? It was going to P&L because it was providing better presentation if we record in P&L, not in OCI. Yes, sir. Then P&L, OCI we are done, and this question 1 we are done. Question 2 and question 3 was the homework question. If you have not done also, we will discuss this question once we do IS 38 intangible asset in the next week. Or udhar bhi hai same question copy paste. Yes. Okay, chalo, now done. So now everyone, today we'll be starting with the first important standard, that is IS 16 PP, property, plant and equipment. If you have done your FA, अगर आपने FR किया, FA किया, you would have done this topic. Normally in my FR class, I take this topic for 9 hours. But now when coming to SBR, अपन इतना time spend नहीं करेंगे. We will discuss each and everything. We will do basic question also so that your concept will be clear. Now, many students when they come to SBR, they have a mindset कि sir, ये जो FR के जो टॉपिक्स है आपने पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 में डाला है ना, जब मैंने सिलेबस को 6 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया, I divided the syllabus in 6 parts. Many students will think what na sir, these standards are not important. Now I'll show you one important thing. See here. I think in March or December attempt, a question was there regarding IAS 16, a pure IAS 16 question for 10 marks. See everyone now. 6-mark question was tested. If you think that, sir, these small standards are not important from SBR point of view, no. A 6-mark straightforward question. I see a straightforward question was tested in question number 4 in the December attempt. So do not think, sir, these small points are etc. not important, etc. XYZ. I say very, very important. And one more thing I'll show you. In June attempt, if pre-mock is there, give me 1 minute. Pre-mock. In pre-mock also, in the previous attempt pre-mock, a 8-mark requirement was tested regarding this one. Okay, so it's better that if I say each and every point is very, very important for SBR. So everyone, please, आपका notebook है, so please write down this topic, everyone. IAS 16 property, plan and equipment. फटाफट से, everyone, make a note. IAS 16 property, plant and equipment. This is the first standard which we are starting. Now this standard, learn properly so that your IAS 40 will be same, IAS 38 will be easy, IAS 36, IFRS 5. So if you understand this standard, the coming 4 to 5 basic standards will be very, very easy for you. Write down the heading and make this flowchart, everyone. The topics which we'll be covering. Flowchart bana lo. Why I say make this flowchart in a page? Because when you revise, you get to know, sir, these are the topics which we have to do. And I've already shared the notes in the group, everyone.
Sir, can you scroll up? I cannot see the heading. Okay.
Yes. I'll do in detail only, assuming that कि आपको आता नहीं है standard. Yes, some will say, sir, we know the standard. Even though if you know, it will be a revision for you. It's better that you learn this properly. Hardly there are 6 points which we have to learn, which are very important for SBR exam. Have a proper mindset from the day one. Exam clear करने के लिए you should have a proper mindset. Even though let's say you have not done syllabus, I have seen my students also who have not done consolidation. उन्होंने consolidation किया ही नहीं है. They write the exam for 70 marks, they score 55, 56, 58. So have that mindset. अगर आप consolidation भी नहीं करते, you can clear your exam, but वो करना नहीं है अपन. The short form is PPE, property, plant and equipment, IAS 16. IS and IFRS is what? The language of accounting. Same way, before every standard, I'll share the notes, everyone. हाँ, if you have the access of the portal, everyone, portal पर इसका question bank भी डला हुआ है, and the lecture one is also uploaded. The notes also are uploaded on the portal also. Conceptual framework notes, the question bank of conceptual framework, and the question bank of IAS 16 is also uploaded. These basic standards, you should have an idea. When we start with the main standard, it's important that you know. Arjun sir, you have the access. Message me, okay? I'll call you tomorrow morning. Everyone mention these 3 points also. Again and again, I'm saying hardly there are 150 type of question that usually comes in the exam. It is not mentioned by the examiner. I am saying if you see the question bank, for each type of question, I mention the content and how should you frame the answer. And below that only basic questions are there. And then below that a list of past paper is there. Past papers also we will do in class. So do not have that mindset कि sir past paper करेंगे नहीं, अपन करेंगे. We will do past papers. Done, everyone? I hope everyone done. You have to be quick in writing. Yes, just make the flow chart. No need to write down the content. You have the PDF, you can refer. Okay. Yes, sir. So can I start, everyone? Can we start with the standard now? Let us start with standard, everyone. PP. Now, first, let us understand the definition of PP, everyone. पहले क्या? We'll see the definition. I mentioned now, whenever we learn any standard, we'll be learning 6 points. पहले क्या? Definition. Then you have recognition, measurement, then disclosure, derecognition, and the other thing. Now, when coming to SBR, the calculation part will be very less. The measurement part will be less. The recognition definition will be very, very important. If you understand, okay, for this item I have to apply IAS 16 PP, then only you can do the accounting. अगर आज मेरे पास एक asset है, which standard I will apply? If I purchase the iPhone today, if I purchase a car, if I purchase a building, इसको कौन सा standard लगाना है? That should be clear. How it will be clear? With the help of definition. Once it is clear कि sir IAS 16 will apply, then you can follow IAS 16 complete. Okay? Yes, sir. So let us start now. Meaning of PP. Property, plant and equipment, everyone. Property, plant and equipment has 3 conditions. The condition number 1 is it is a tangible asset. Tangible का meaning क्या होता है? जिसको touch कर सकते हैं. We can touch. Yes, sir. Then it is expected to be used for more than one period. It is expected to be used for more than one period. If today I purchase a car, or if I purchase a building, if I purchase a factory, is my intention to sell within 6 months or to use for my business? Use. When we prepare balance sheet and P&L, what is the assumption? Going concern. Sir, धंधे को continue करेंगे. We will continue the business. So, what are the 2 things? PP is a tangible which we can touch. Expected to be used for more than one period. And sir, why are we purchasing this? Now here, if you can see, a lot of arrows are there, flowcharts. Simple. One simple logic. One simple logic is that it is for business purpose. Simple. किसके लिए है? Business के लिए. It is for business purpose. Everyone understood the definition. PP is tangible, expected to be used for more than one period, and it is held for business purpose. Okay, Hanji sir, samajh. Now coming to the whiteboard, everyone. I'll give multiple examples. You have to say me yes or no, whether it's a PP or not. Okay. Let's say, everyone, this is my store. Let's say Zara company मेरी है. Zara, Zudio, सारी company मेरी है. It's my company, everyone. Let's say, everyone, in Zara, let's say they have purchased a machine to manufacture t-shirts. Now this machine which is there, will this be PP or not? Yes, sir, we can touch the machine. It is used for more than 12 months, and we will make out of this machine, we will use and we will make what? T-shirt. Why? My intention is to sell. Clear, everyone? Yes, sir. Let's take an example. A travel company. Anyone, any travel company? Red Bus? Not Red Bus, बाबा. वो बाद में उनका accounting change हो गया. SRS, okay. Then make my trip. अरे. Let's say SRS. Now this SRS is a company which has multiple buses. Now these buses will be what? PP or not for SRS? Why? अरे SRS का business क्या है? To provide service to whom? To provide service to the customers. Yes, sir. Clear? And these are simple done, sir. Let's take one more example, everyone. This is my company, R Limited. This is my company. Let's say I am selling iPhones. I am selling iPhones. And I have made good profit. मेरे बाद the company has good profit. I have good profits, and I have decided that I'll purchase a property. I have decided that I'll purchase a property, and this property I'm giving on rent. I am giving this property on rent, everyone. Now in this case, ये जो property मैंने purchase किया है, मैंने rent पर दिया है. Will this be IAS 16 PP?
No.
Is this my main business? ये
No.
मेरा धंधा है क्या? नहीं बाबा. It's not my business. For passive income, I purchased a property, etc. So for this, what we will apply? For this, you will apply IAS 40. It is for investment purpose. Understood, Hanji sir? Now one more example. Let's take the example of Prestige, Shobha, etc. They have a building. This building they have given on rent. Now say me, will this be IAS 16 or IAS 40?
40.
Everyone.
16.
Shobha, you'll be knowing multiple real estate companies, everyone. There are multiple real estate companies or not? They have a property, they have given this on rent. What will this be?
16.
IAS 16 or 40? अरे प्रेस्टीज शोभा उनका बिजनेस ही क्या है? प्रॉपर्टी बनाना, अपार्टमेंट बनाना और रेंट पर देना ना, तो in this case also it will be what everyone? It will be IAS 16. Understand the standard. It is from what point of view? I'm saying again, from the business point of view. धंधा है उनका. Understood everyone? Yes, clear with this? Yes sir. Okay, chalo. One more example. Let's say everyone, this is my company. Again, I say R Limited. I have 100 staff. I have 100 employees, everyone. Now, these employees will live, let's say 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer far from the company place. What I have done, everyone, मैंने क्या किया? I have purchased a property, everyone. This property I have given to my employees on rent. मैंने प्रॉपर्टी परचेज किया है. This property I have given to my employees on rent, and I am taking the rent from that. Now everyone say, what is this? IAS 16 or IAS 40?
16.
40.
40, 16, etc.
40.
40, some are saying 40, some are saying 60. Very good.
40.
40,
40 only, I think.
40. अभी आप लोग ही बताओ, अगर मेरी कंपनी है, मैं क्यों एक बिल्डिंग परचेज करूंगा? Why will I purchase a building and why will I give the building on rent to employees, which is only 500 meters away from my business? This is, let's say everyone, I'll take Bangalore example only. ये Majestic है. Near to Majestic, let's say I purchase a property, my company is here. I've given this company to my employees on rent, which is 500 meters away. You only say everyone, मैं building को purchase किया, I've given this building on rent. Why?
Like to reduce the commute time so they can come to the
To
business
reduce the
joldi.
cost.
So can I say my intention is what? Employees will come early to the office.
Oh, yes.
Can I say they'll spend more time? My profits will increase. So can I say in that case what this will become? IAS 16 or 40?
16.
16.
16. Understanding everyone? Understood with this? Any doubts to anyone? किसी को कुछ doubt? Okay sir, ये तो समझ में आ गया. Now see everyone. Again understand, land and building, and I have some other asset. Some other assets. If land and building I have given on rent and it is my business, then what will I apply?
IAS 16.
Not my business. Then what will I apply?
IAS 40.
IAS 40. But I have some other asset. I have some other asset other than land and building, which I have given on rent. In that case, it will always be what? IAS 16. अगर मेरे पास आईफोन है, मेरे पास 10 आईफोन है, मैंने 10 आईफोन रेंट पर दे दिया, तो it will become what? 40 or IAS 16? 16. Clear everyone with this? Any doubts to anyone in this? No doubts. I hope the definition is clear to everyone. Okay. Clear everyone? If it is clear everyone, please read this. Please read this. आपके पास notes रहेगा. If you have the notes on one screen, you can open that also. No issues. Read everyone. So tangible asset, it is held for production or supply of goods or service. अगर मेरे पास एक machine है, I will use this to produce something. Or I have a bus which I'm using to provide service. Yes sir. Or rental to others other than land and building. Land and building के अलावा जो भी है वो PP होगा. Or administrative purpose. Administrative purpose means what? Your office, warehouse, all these are what? For business purpose, and which is expected to be used for more than one period. IAS 16, IAS 40. See everyone. Again, we will discuss this once we do IAS 40 also. I hope the definition is clear to everyone. There is no doubts in definition. Can I move forward, everyone?
Yes,
sir.
Understanding the standard is very, very important. अरे कोई रोबोट नहीं बनाया, इंसान नहीं बनाया standards. So you should be knowing that. Yes, sir. Now see everyone. Either I am producing, sir, PPA, sir. Sir, transport company, sir. Transport company. Office building. Furniture. All these are what? IAS 16 PP. Yes, sir. Then see, other assets on rent. IAS 16. Then land and building. I say passive income, then it will be IAS 40. If it is a hotel, etc., XYZ, it will again be what? IAS 16. We'll discuss it. Then if I've given the property to employees on rent, then it will become what? IAS 16 again. Clear sabko ye? Yes. Now
Yes.
everyone, see this picture and say me, what are you understanding with this? With this picture, what are you understanding?
Inventory.
Can I say that my business is of selling machines. My business is of selling laptops. In that case, will that laptop be IAS 16? No, it is your inventory. Is your aim to use this for more than 12 months? No. Your aim is what? You sell it as soon as possible. Clear everyone? Difference समझ में आ रहा है सबको? IAS 2 means what? Inventory. Inventory means what? Stock, goods, which you sell on a regular basis. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Chalo, then the definition part is done, everyone. You need not write down anything. Now coming to the next one, everyone. The next one is what? Definition हो गया recognition. Sir, अभी asset को कब record करेंगे? Everyone remember conceptual framework. Conceptual framework was saying what? It is probable that you should have the economic benefit. Yes or no? Inflow आना चाहिए and cost can be measured reliably. To record something, you should know the value. To record something, everyone, you should know the value. So recognition has two conditions, everyone. Probable future economic benefit and cost can be measured reliably. Cost का meaning क्या होता है? The value. Yes, sir. This recognition will be repeated in 3 to 4 standards. So definition done, recognition done. Sir, if recognition condition is not satisfied, so what we will do, sir? Directly recording P&L. If recognition condition is not satisfied, what will you do, everyone? You will record this in P&L. सबको समझ में आया? Any doubts to anyone in definition and recognition? अगर आपको ज्यादा ही out of the box doubt है, ask me at the end.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, if there's a real estate company which sells apartments, the flats will be considered as inventory, right?
Yes.
But how will that come in IAS 16?
Depends now whether they'll give this on rent or whether they will sell. You
If
have
they're
to see the
selling-
intention now.
If they're selling all the flats,
Yeah, if they are selling, then what is their intention? It will become inventory. Simple.
so it'll come in IAS 2.
2.
Okay.
Let's take an example, everyone. Let's say my business is what I purchase, property I sell. आज मैंने कोई property purchase किया, मैंने sell कर दिया. In that case, what will I do? I purchase the property, after 3 months I'll sell. I do this on a regular basis. ये मेरा ordinary course है. This is my ordinary course of business. Then it become IAS 2 inventory. Understanding, everyone, you have to understand the intention behind of that asset. Okay? Yes, sir. Chalo then. So we have completed the definition, recognition, and now coming to measurement, everyone. Now coming to measurement, इसका flowchart आप बना लो. Write down the heading measurement and make this flowchart, everyone. Make this flowchart, everyone, please. Recognition, definition, recognition is done. Measurement, ये flowchart बना लो सब लोग. Please make this flowchart. Done, everyone? Measurement, initial, subsequent. लिख लो. Slowly, you'll be able to connect with multiple standards. I know, ki sir, we have a doubt from a real estate company point of view, etc. As we cover IAS 40, IAS 2, it will be clear. It will be more clear. As of now, just understand a basic, ki sir, if it's for business purpose, IAS 16, simple. Nothing else. So now, everyone, let us start with the initial measurement, that is cost. Now, a lot of things I've written. This is not mentioned in Kaplan, BBP, etc. This is based on the points which are tested in the exam, etc. But I'll explain you the logic. The logic is very, very important when coming to what? Your SBR exam. This was a question regarding cost. A 6-mark question was tested in December exam. अभी 2 अटेम्प्ट हो गए कि IAS 16 से कोई क्वेश्चन आया नहीं है. So September attempt, the question can come if you're lucky. Now see everyone, let's take an example everyone. Sir, initial measurement. Now what does initial measurement means and what does subsequent measurement means? Initial means on the day 1. जब आप कोई asset purchase करते हो, अगर आज मैंने कोई asset purchase किया, today at what value I will record? The standard is saying that you have to record at cost. Subsequent measurement means what? Subsequent measurement means at the balance sheet date, at the reporting date, when you prepare your balance sheet. Balance sheet कब बनती है? Year end पर 31st March, 31st December. At that time, at what value you will record? Initially का meaning क्या है? Sir, today when we purchase, at what value we have to record? Subsequent measurement means at the balance sheet date, at reporting date. Yes. Now everyone, let us take an example. Now cost का meaning क्या होता है? Cost का meaning होता है खर्चा. आपने कितना खर्चा किया है असेट को परचेज करने के लिए? What is the expense you have incurred to purchase the asset? Now let me take an example everyone. Let's take again, let's take, this is my company R Limited everyone, and it's a pharmaceutical company. I want to purchase a machine. I want to purchase a machine from America. Trump, उससे मेरे को machine purchase करना है. Okay. Now everyone, if I want to purchase a machine from US, now there is a supplier. Okay, sir, there is a supplier. Now everyone, my intention is what? That I bring this machine where? To US or to India?
To
To
India.
India. To why? Why? To use it for
To
what?
use it for business.
Simple ना, मैं machine क्यों purchase करूंगा? I'll purchase a machine from US, I'll bring to my factory, I will use it and I'll make money out of it by manufacturing medicines. Now the standard is saying one simple point, that when you bring this machine from US to India, you will incur a lot of, there will be a lot of expenses. Yes or no? What are those expenses? Sir, first of all, machine का price होगा कि नहीं? Let's say the price of this machine was $10,000. What was the price of the machine? Supplier mentioned कि okay, the price of this machine is $10,000. Yes, sir. Then can I say the supplier will give you something known as trade discount? अभी ट्रेड डिस्काउंट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? आप एक असेट परचेज करते हो which has a cost of 10,000. The supplier is saying, okay, you are from India, Trump and Modi are very good friends, so I give you 1,000 rupees का डिस्काउंट. कितने का डिस्काउंट? 1,000. So what is the cost for you? मशीन का खर्चा कितना वो आपके लिए? 9,000.
9,000.
Now everyone, can I use this machine? No. What should I do? I have to bring this machine from US to India. When I bring this machine from US to India, what are the other expenses I'll incur?
Shipping cost,
Transport.
Shipping cost, transport cost, then
customs,
custom duties या
Custom.
import duties, जो भी आप
Import
बोलो.
duties.
और इंस्टॉलेशन. वेरी गुड सर, ये मशीन तो ऐसे ही नहीं चलेगी, इसको इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा ना, असेंबल करना पड़ेगा. यस सर.
Packaging.
Architecture fee.
Packaging cost.
नहीं.
Professional fees.
प्रोफेशनल फीस. ओके. प्री
Packaging.
एक्सेट्रा. अरे तुम लोग
Handling
इंटरनेशनल
cost.
सोच रहे हो क्या? Do not refer my notes everyone. Go with the basic common sense. Can I say I will pay import duties, transportation costs, etc. XYZ. Now can I say everyone, when I pay this, let's say this machine has reached to the port, huh? Abhi can I say at this port also I have to pay some money? Yes sir, वो भी मैंने पैसा पे किया. Then from the port I have to bring this to what? To my factory. I will incur cost. That also I have to incur, sir. Then can I say this machine I will bring? When I bring this machine everyone, will I start manufacturing the medicine directly or first I will test it?
Test.
टेस्ट करेंगे ना, बेसिक टेस्ट तो करेंगे. जब टेस्ट करोगे, when you test everyone, can I say again you will have a cost or not? Expense होगा कि नहीं? Yes sir, again expense will be there. So ये जो all these expenses, all the expenses to bring the asset to what? Asset को किधर लेके आना है? To bring the asset to the location. What is that location? मेरी फैक्ट्री. And condition क्या है? Management क्या बोलेगी? As a owner, I will say this machine should be ready to use. इसको मैं यूज कर पाऊं. Until and unless the asset is at the location or the condition, whatever you incur will be part of what? Cost.
Cost.
Understood everyone the definition of cost? Cost का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Again repeating, cost means the expenditure, the खर्चा, जो खर्चा आप करोगे, the expenditure which you do to bring the asset to the location, whichever, whatever the management says, either it could be Delhi, Mumbai, etc. And the condition. Understood everyone? इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट? कॉस्ट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? नहीं सर. नाउ हियर am I purchasing the machine or I am manufacturing the machine? What I am doing here? I am purchasing a machine.
Purchasing.
Simple, yes. See, the standard has given two important terms. The cost incurred to bring the asset to the location and condition will be part of cost. Simple. Okay? Yes, sir. Now, one more example, everyone. Let me take one more example. So, when coming to a PP, everyone, as I have taken an example that you purchase a PP. That was a machine. Yes, sir. Now, everyone, on the other side, I say that I want to construct a factory. Now, this factory which I'll construct, everyone, this is what? Again, PP. Now, here, am I purchasing the PP or I am constructing the PP?
Constructing.
Constructing. Abhi aapko factory banana hai. You have to make a factory. If you want to make a factory, everyone, what are the expenditure? No, before 1 minute. What is your intention? If I am the owner, what is my intention? The factory should be in the ready condition. Yes or no? And I can use it. Now, today you will start the construction of the factory. What are the expenditure you will incur? What is the first expenditure you will incur, everyone?
Land.
Labor cost.
सर पहले लैंड परचेज करेंगे सर. यस सर. सर लैंड परचेज करने के लिए लॉयर चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? लॉयर चाहिए कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
काफी चाहिए हमको. सर लॉयर फीस.
Brokerage commission.
देन कमीशन पे करना पड़ेगा सर. देन व्हाट आर द अदर कॉस्ट?
Installation.
Registration fees.
देन स्टैम्प ड्यूटी.
Registration.
लेवलिंग द लैंड, एवरीवन. यस, लैंड को भी लेवल करना पड़ेगा ना जब बिल्डिंग बनेगा. देन ऑन यू विल बी एबल टू कंस्ट्रक्ट दी दिस वन. सो आई लेवल द लैंड, एवरीवन. देन
Installation.
इंस्टॉलेशन. इधर क्या इंस्टॉलेशन करोगे आप?
Sir, building material.
Employment.
Build.
Labor cost.
मटेरियल. और ये मटेरियल के पहले आर्किटेक्ट को बुलाना पड़ेगा. वो मैप बनाएगा कि नहीं? डिजाइनर.
Yes, sir.
यस और नो?
Yes.
अरे ऐसे कैसे बनाओगे? बिफोर दैट यू हैव टू हैव आर्किटेक्ट फर्स्ट. Yes, sir. All this architect fees, etc. Then, can I say you have to take from Modi? You have to take a permission from your local government. Permission लेना पड़ेगा ना घर बनाने के लिए. चक्कर काटने पड़ते कि नहीं? So that fees also will be added. Can I say then, sir, material? Sir, we will purchase some material to construct. That also will be added. Then, any other cost? Labor.
Testing.
अरे लेबर को भी पैसा देना पड़ेगा ना. Then. और कुछ आ रहा है क्या दिमाग में?
तो बोरवेल.
बोरवेल. हाँ वहां बोरवेल. वेरी गुड. सब ऐड कर लो. इलेक्ट्रिक जो भी हो, छोटा मोटा खर्चा सब ऐड हो जाएगा. दैट इज टू डिटेल. इतना डिटेल जाने की जरूरत नहीं है अभी. नहीं तो बाद में ये स्टैंडर्ड में मेरे को 15 आवर स्पेंड करने पड़ेंगे. उतना डिटेल में जाऊंगा तो. सिंपल एवरीवन, यू विल ऐड दिस. ओके, क्लियर? खाता फीस एवरीवन एक्सेट्रा डन. नाउ एवरीवन, my factory is ready. Let's say my factory is ready in Mumbai. I call Shahrukh Khan. I say, Shahrukh Khan, I'll pay you 7 crores. Come and inaugurate my factory. Now that 7 crore which I pay to Shahrukh Khan, will I add to the cost of the asset?
No, sir.
क्या
Yes,
लगता है
sir.
आप लोगों को?
Yes.
No.
Huh? No, yes. My factory is ready. I can use it. But I'm saying that when I inaugurate my factory, I'll give party to my friends, etc. I'll call a celebrity to inaugurate, etc. I'll do a lot of expenditure. In that case, will that expenditure be added to this factory?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Arey no, Baba, no. It will not be added. Assume that IAS16 is a human being. सोचो थोड़ा कि आपके सामने IAS16 खड़ा है. वो क्या बोलेगा? It is your wish whether you'll give party or not. Yes or no? Whether you call Shahrukh Khan or whether you call a watchman, it depends upon you to inaugurate. Yes or no? तो the standard is saying मेरे को कोई लेना देना नहीं है. फैक्ट्री बन गई, उतना खर्चा ऐड कर लो एंड रिकॉर्ड दिस एज व्हाट? कॉस्ट ऑफ द एसेट. क्लियर एवरीवन? हाँ जी सर. यस सर. यस. नाउ एवरीवन, लेट्स से व्हेन आई कंस्ट्रक्ट दिस फैक्ट्री एवरीवन, when I construct this factory, I will require some equipment or not? क्या लगेगा?
Machine.
JCB लगेगा. The mixer which I'll be having. Can I say these all assets which are used, these assets depreciation will be added here? थोड़ा टेक्निकल पॉइंट है. अगर मैं फैक्ट्री बनाऊंगा, I will require a JCB or a mixer, cement mixer. Cement mixer is also a PP for me, etc. XYZ. In that case, that depreciation also I'll add it. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? The standard has given only one single line. Standard says what cost is what? To bring the asset to the condition and location. अभी ये तो मैं बोला हूं कि क्या क्या ऐड होगा क्या क्या नहीं. I hope everyone the term of the cost is clear. सबको
Sir, if the JCB and the mixer is rented, then also does it count?
No. Then it becomes in detail, directly attributable and indirectly. वो थोड़ा detail, you need not go in that detail. इतना detail आएगा भी. Okay. Because I mentioned standards are based on judgment. ये principle दिया, आपको समझना, आपको apply करना है. Clear everyone? Now can we shift now or back to the screen? Now देखो cost. Now what does the cost means everyone? One simple line. Everyone please write down wherever you have made the flowchart cost ka meaning. Cost means what? Directly attributable cost necessary to bring the PP to the location and condition. Write down that in short. Cost means what? Directly attributable cost necessary to bring the asset to the location and condition. Who has mentioned this? Management. Management con CEO, CFO, owner, board of directors. It could be anyone. Yes, sir. You have made a flow chart. Just write down cost incurred to bring the asset to the location and condition. Simple.
सर इंटेंशन मैनेजमेंट का जो होता है वो फिक्स हो जाता है क्या?
फिक्स है बेटे, वो चेंज भी हो सकता है.
क्योंकि सर वो लोग तो अपने मन से कभी भी चेंज कर देंगे इंटेंशन.
ऐसे नहीं कि जो मन में है वैसे. हमेशा ऐसा होता है क्या कंपनी में? नहीं ना. कैश डिस्काउंट इज नॉट गिवन. I'll come to that. Wait. Thamba.
Sir, also does the insurance count, like the insurance for the building or the asset?
Yes, that will be counted. Yes. थोड़ा सोचो. Some points I will discuss. I have not yet discussed, like insurance, cash discount, etc. I'll discuss, but I've given a basic idea to you. Cost का meaning क्या है? Because many students think कि sir ये फालतू का topic है, but December students were lucky. A 6 mark straightforward question came regarding this. The accountant has done something wrong. You had to mention कि correct क्या है. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं था वो question. I was also surprised when student mentioned कि sir ये question आया था 6 marks के लिए. Yes. चलो now everyone, let us little bit discuss more regarding this one. See now everyone. अभी एक एक पिक्चर देखते जाओ और समझ जाओ. मैंने क्या बोला? मैं मशीन परचेज कर रहा हूं. एमआरपी कितना था मशीन का? 1 लाख. बट ऑन स्पॉट मैंने अभी तक पैसा नहीं दिया, बट दी सप्लाई सेइंग दैट वी विल गिव अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 10,000. दैट इज व्हाट? दैट विल बी डिडक्टेड. दैट इज नोन एज ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. That is known as what everyone? Trade discount. That's the difference between trade discount and settlement discount. Let me explain that. Trade discount, settlement discount. Now, let's say everyone, today I'm selling you an iPhone for $1,000. And I say that you are my student. I will give you a discount of how much everyone? $50. But you are saying कि सर अभी पैसा नहीं है सर मेरे पास, मैं 3 महीने के बाद में पैसा दूंगा. What you mentioned? After 3 months, I say, okay, no, Baba, no issues. Give me 950 after 3 months. Okay. You say, okay, sir, 3 महीने के बाद में दे दूंगा. You say, कि sir, we will give this amount after 3 months. But I mentioned you that if you pay me within 1 month, I will give you a further discount of $50. I will give you a further discount of $50. अगर आप पेमेंट 1 महीने के अंदर कर दोगे तो, if you make the payment within 1 month, I will give you extra 50 ka discount. Now everyone, this discount which is initially given today, it is what? Trade discount. This is what everyone? Settlement discount. Now if IAS 16 is standing in front of you, IAS 16 is saying हमको कोई लेना देना नहीं. किसका? Cash discount का. Only we think about a what? Trade discount. So trade discount we reduce. Clear everyone? Settlement discount, or you say cash settlement discount is given to the customer to pay the amount as soon as possible. Simple. That will not be considered in the cost. Considered का meaning क्या होता है? To reduce, Baba. Yes. See everyone. So this is clear. Then when I purchase, sir, loading, unloading, assembling, installation, सब कुछ ऐड होगा सर. Then sir, test तो करना पड़ेगा ना machine को. When you test everyone, when you test, you will incur some cost that you will add to what? PP. सर जब टेस्ट करेंगे ये जो आउटपुट बनेगा इसको बेचेंगे. इसको बेचोगे तो क्या रिकॉर्ड करोगे? How will you record this? You will record this as an income. You will record this as an income, everyone. Clear? Yes. Then next one. Then did we discuss this or not? सर ये भी डिस्कस कर लिया सर हमने. Then did we discuss this or not? Yes, sir. Now everyone, this is something new. Everyone, please see this. When coming to big office buildings, everyone, do you see water sprinklers or not, Upar? Do you see or not?
Yes.
Each and everything will also be what? Part of this building. It will be added because it is necessary. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now coming to the costs which are not included, everyone see. Have a look, everyone, once. 1 or 2 points will be new. I'll come to that. Will inauguration be part of the PP? No, Baba. Sir, kuch maintenance hai, etc. XYZ. That also will not be the part of the PP. Then, sir, I am paying salary to my staff who are working in the office. Unka koi lena dena nahi. You will not include it. Then coming to abnormal loss or abnormal wastage. This also will not be included. So now what does abnormal loss, abnormal wastage means? Let me explain. Everyone, अभी कौन सा सीजन चल रहा है? बारिश की गर्मी?
समर.
हाँ?
समर.
समर किधर?
Mix.
मिक्स. साउथ, जो साउथ में स्टूडेंट्स है वो बोलेंगे मिक्स.
नॉर्थ.
हाँ?
नॉर्थ में समर है.
अबे इधर तो गर्मी है बाबा, इधर तो गर्मी है सच में.
पता नहीं सर, कभी तूफान आ जाता है तो लाइट चली जाती है, कभी बारिश हो जाती है हल्की हल्की.
किधर है?
सर बिहार में सर.
अरे भैया
कभी कभी इतनी गर्मी रहती है कभी इतनी गर्मी रहती है कि ऐसा लगता है कि
चलो
निपट जाएंगे इसी में.
चलो चलो आ जाओ. कम बैक एवरीवन टू द क्लास. नाउ abnormal wastage, everyone. Now, when coming to abnormal wastage, I will not give a very basic example because we are in SBR. मैं उतना भी basic example नहीं दूंगा, but I'll give a very good example to understand. See everyone now. I want to construct my factory. मेरे को फैक्ट्री बनानी है. I have given this contract to, let's say, मनु को. मैंने मनु को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया. मनु is a contractor. I want to construct my factory. Yes. Now, to construct this factory, everyone, generally in the market they say that 1000 kgs of cement is required. कितने kg का सीमेंट चाहिए? 1000 kg. Now, it's a normal requirement कि 1000 is required. Manu will say how much? Will Manu say 1000 or he will say more? मनु को ही पूछते. मनु बता.
नया आदमी रहेगा तो वेस्ट कर देगा एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल.
थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा बोलेगा ना मनु. He'll say a little bit more, everyone. Let's say Manu is saying, sir, I required 1020 kgs. Because here and there some problem could be there, no issues. Now everyone, listen here. Now this 1000 kg is a normal requirement and Manu is demanding 1020, which is a normal market requirement. But Manu is saying what now? After 6 months of the construction, Manu is saying I required 1500. Abhi, if he is asking for 1500 kgs of cement, can I say I will doubt or not? A question mark will come or not? मेरा पैसा जा रहा है बाबा, उसका कुछ नहीं जा रहा है. I have to bear the money. Now everyone, when I call Manu, he is saying कि सर मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए. When I ask him why, he is saying कि सर the laborers who were there ना, उनको काम नहीं करना आता था. उनको काम करना नहीं आता था. उनको सीमेंट मिक्स करना नहीं आता था. So they were not able to mix the cement properly, etc. So it was wasted. Let's take an example. Now everyone, is this the problem of IS 16? Huh? IS 16 is saying it's not my problem. That's your problem. You should train your employees, etc. It's your headache. The standard is saying that to a certain extent, we will allow you that whatever material you use, 20, 25 kg, whichever is required as extra, you can add it. And the extra which is there, जो फालतू का due to the problem of employees etc. that will not be considered. So here everyone, if I say what is the normal 20, अब normal कितना हुआ 480. I've not taken a very basic example. ये थोड़ा technical example था, but you have to understand because we are doing SBR. ऐसे नहीं कि अपन FFA कर रहे कि FA कर रहे. I hope this is clear everyone. So will you include abnormal? No. Only normal expense will be included. Clear everyone with this? सबको clear है? Yes? चलो now. Now with this is done. Now one more thing everyone. Everyone please see these two pictures and what are you understanding? Again. Please see these two pictures and what are you understanding? क्या समझ में आ रहा है तुम लोगों को? Capital revenue. I hope everyone knows the difference, Baba. Capital expenditure means, sir, when we do the expenditure, sir, we will get new income. But when coming to this one, painting, will you get new income? No, sir. It's only to maintain the asset. So which one will you include? Will you include capital expenditure or revenue expenditure in the cost of the asset?
Capital.
Revenue will say Tata Bhag. Okay, everyone? Sabko clear hai ye? So everyone understood the basic definition of cost. I know there are 3 to 4 more points. I'll come to that, Baba. मैं आऊंगा उस पर. But did you understand the basic? There are 3 to 4 points. I'll explain that. Now, everyone, I have given a question, everyone. Please do this and say me what will be the answer. Notebook you have, please do in the notebook only, everyone. Notebook में question लिख लो, cost. Write down the question number 1 and do the question and say me what will be the answer. If you want to do on calculator, you can do etc. XYZ. No issues in that. इतना basic question नहीं आएगा, but it's important that you know this also. As I mentioned, I assume that कि आपको कुछ नहीं आता है. I'll teach from scratch, as I mentioned. I hope everyone are comfortable with me. Hindi and English mix. There is no such problem. अरे बाप रे बाप. करो और आंसर बताओ मुझे. In the chat box, everyone. अरे बहुत different answers. Everyone. Different answers.
7,040.
Okay. सबका ये आंसर है तो hoping that that will be the answer. See everyone now. Now everyone, what are you constructing? क्या बना रहे हो तुम लोग? फैक्ट्री बना रहे हो? Cost of the land. Will you add it? हाँ जी. Now trade discount. Can I say trade discount? What will you do? Add or reduce?
Subtract.
Subtract ना. अरे ट्रेड डिस्काउंट का मीनिंग क्या है? डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, कम पैसा पे करना. अभी मटेरियल पर मिल रहा है तो यू विल रिड्यूस इट ना. हाँ जी सर. देन नॉन रिफंडेबल टैक्सेस. The taxes which you pay, you will not be getting back. In that case, again, add it. Yes. Then construction material. Material का cost है. कितना है ये?
2,400.
24.
Abnormal loss. Will you include it?
No.
इसको क्या करें? No. Simple. Then staff training cost.
No.
No.
No. Yes. Then labor charges.
Yes.
Yes.
Every. I know that I have not done all the points, but I want you to apply the definition which I've, the basic which I've given. Then everyone, architect fees,
Yes. Yes, sir.
surveyor fees, कितना है?
Yes, sir.
25 or 50. Then site specific overhead.
Yes.
It is relating to the site only, everyone. They are mentioned. It is specific. So what will be the answer? Yes, you will include. General administrative overheads.
No.
No. It's general for the business purpose, not specific. Then fire alarm.
Yes.
Yes. Then annual business tax. You are paying some business tax.
No.
No. Are you paying property tax or business tax, Baba?
Business.
Business tax. So it will not be included. Then settlement discount on purchase, this one.
No.
No. तो ये कितना आ रहा है टोटल करके बता.
6940.
6980.
40.
अरे कोई 10 बोल रहा, कोई 90 बोल रहा, बाप रे बाप.
40 sir.
40.
40 everyone. लॉक किया जाए आपका आंसर.
Yes sir.
Six nine 40. Bang on everyone, your answer is right. I hope everyone you have understood a basic regarding what does the cost includes.
So,
What
but the
does-
discount is on materials purchased, no, sir?
Yes, material you will be ultimately using for what, bete? To construct the building, na?
Yes, sir. So, it should not be included?
It should be included. Included means what? You reduce it. It is a benefit for you, na? It is not an expense, na?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason. I hope this is clear to everyone. Sabko cost clear a definition. Chalo, now let us see the points which I have written, everyone. 1 or 2 points will be new. See everyone now. Purchase price of PP. Whatever price you pay, you will consider that, yes, sir. Then you will less what, everyone? Sir, trade discount. Yes, sir. Then non-refundable cost or import duties. Why I am using the term non-refundable? Sometimes what will happen now, you pay some import duties, you pay some GST. Modi ji will say after 3 months you will get the GST back. Is that your cost? No. You are getting that amount back, so it will not be your cost. Yes, sir. Then legal fees, sir, we will add it. Initial delivery cost, transportation we add. Installation and assembling we will add. Stamp duty, site preparation, professional fees, architect fees, employment cost of construction workers, direct material, testing cost, any other directly attributable cost, and insurance on transit we will add. Are these points clear to everyone? There are 2 points which I have not discussed, everyone. There are 2 points which I have not discussed. I will come to this. But did you understand the other points? Sabko clear? Yes, sir. Now coming to this finance cost, everyone. This is a different standard, a particular standard head. We have IS 23. It is a standard which we'll do, but I'll give a basic idea. See everyone now. Everyone, I have taken a loan from SBI bank of 10 lakh rupees to construct this factory. How much? 10 lakh rupees loan I've taken from SBI to construct this factory. 10% is the interest. What is the interest I'll be paying to SBI bank per year?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So what is the entry, everyone? Debit, finance cost, credit, cash that is going out.
The cash.
Yes, this is the normal entry which you record, everyone. This is the normal entry which you record, sir, when we pay the interest. Yes, sir. But the standard, there is a standard which is IS 23. IS 23 will say what now? Instead of recording this finance cost, you can record this as an asset. You can record this as an asset. Now, when, sir, when IS 23 conditions are satisfied, we will learn this. But did you get a basic idea? सबको समझ में आया कि सर अगर लोन लिया बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए तो that will be added. Yes. When we do IS 23 again, I'll give a link to IS 16. Yes. Simple. Sir, ये भी हो गया. Chalo, but this is done. This point I will discuss. I'll discuss. Now then coming to this one. Cost of PP, everyone. Cost which are excluded. See what are the costs excluded. Staff training cost, administrative and general overheads, advertisement cost, cost of opening a new facility or inauguration, not considered. Selling and allocated overheads will not be considered. Day-to-day repair cost will not be considered. Operating losses. If you purchase a machine, you have losses. You will not consider. Cost of relocating or reorganizing the entity or a business will not be there. Then abnormal loss and then purchase of a maintenance contract. अगर मैंने यूएसए से मशीन परचेज किया along with that machine I purchased a maintenance contract for 3 months, that will not be considered here. It could be 3 months, 3 years, will not be considered. Clear everyone with the definition of cost? This term cost will be repeated in multiple standards. Again, I will not repeat. So that is the reason I'm doing in detail here. IS 1638, IS 40, IS 2, and some other standards. See everyone. So we have done what everyone? Definition done, recognition done, initial measurement done. Sir, at what value we will record? Yes. Now coming to this point, everyone, present value of this. Very, very important. This is also again linked with some other standard. I'll explain the basic. And this also was tested in the exam for 6 to 7 marks, multiple times. ये भी आ चुका exam. Now, let me come to this end. Now everyone, when coming to this image, what do you understand? ये इमेज देख के आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है? By just looking to this picture, what are you understand? क्या समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? Okay, others, can I say?
Make better environment.
Can I say I have to restore this or not? पहले ये माइन थी, अभी इसको क्या करना है? पार्क बनाना है. Okay? Yes, sir. Now again, let me take an example so that you understand everyone. Write down the next topic everyone. Write down the next topic in your notes. Dismantling cost. पहले heading बना लो. Dismantling cost everyone. Please make the heading everyone. Please make the heading. You have written cost, I know. After that, please write down dismantling cost. Here we are writing धीरे धीरे. The focus will be more on questions only. Understanding the concept. Hardly we will do, let's say, 4 or 5 concepts per day. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे. Dismantling cost, I hope everyone have written. Now see everyone, let me take an example. Now everyone, ऐसा कुछ देखा क्या आप लोगों ने जब आपने ट्रेन से ट्रैवल किया होगा या बस से कभी भी
Yes,
किधर
sir.
भी? ऐसा देखा है क्या? किधर देखा तुम लोगों ने?
No, sir.
नो सर, नहीं देखा तो भी देख. अदर्स, ऐसा देखा कि नहीं कभी?
सिर्फ मूवी में.
मूवी में देखा है क्या? मैंने भी मूवी में ही देखा था, बट मैंने देखा हुआ है, मूवी में देखा है सर. एवरीवन, व्हाट इज दिस? क्या समझ में आ रहा है इससे?
Oil rig.
Oil extraction.
Oil, can I say it's in the middle of the ocean? And what will the company do?
Extraction of oil.
Extraction of oil. Everyone, can I say the best example could be Reliance company? Now everyone, can I say for Reliance company, will this be a PP or not?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, they are using for the business purpose. Now everyone, Reliance company has done a setup like this so that they can extract the oil. Can I say once, let's say oil is done, अभी कुछ oil है ही नहीं इधर, will Reliance company leave this like this only? नहीं तो क्या करेंगे? What they will do? They have to dismantle this. इनको हटाना पड़ेगा. Modi ji will say what? Government will say that you have to dismantle, you have to remove this. Now everyone, today, when Mukesh Ambani will set up this, everyone, can I say government will also say Mukesh Ambani that after 30 years or 25 years, when you're not able to extract the oil, you have to dismantle it. So can I say today only Mukesh Ambani knows that after 30 years, cost is there or not? 30 साल के बाद में खर्चा होगा कि नहीं? Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this expense which is there, which is done after 30 years or 25 years, that also will be added to the cost of the asset. That also will be added to what everyone? Cost of the asset. समझ में आया सबको? Yes, yes, sir. Now see everyone, let's take that example of that setup only here, which has a setup here. After 30 years, let's say to set up this, Mukesh Ambani has incurred a total of, let's say, 10 lakh rupees. ज़्यादा ही लगेगा, but I've taken a basic example. After 30 years, the accountant or a person is saying to Mukesh Ambani that you have to incur 2 lakh rupees. 30 years बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Let's say 5 years. After 5 years, you will incur 2 lakh rupees to dismantle that. उसको हटाने के लिए कितना खर्चा आएगा? 2 लाख का. Now everyone, the expense is done today or after 5 years?
After 5 years.
after 5 years everyone. So if the expense is
Yes.
done after 5 years, ये क्या होगा? 5 साल के बाद में पैसा देना है, तो can I say it will become a liability or not?
Liability.
Yes. Now
Yes.
everyone, I say IAS and IFRS are very easy. Just to complicate your life, they have introduced something known as time value of money. That is what everyone, discounting. They've introduced something known as what everyone, discounting. I say each and every IS and IFRS is very simple. Just to complicate your life, they've introduced discounting. Now, whenever I do any standard, you will see that every time we will be using this concept known as discounting. I hope everyone knows what is time value of money and discounting. सबको आता है कि नहीं आता है? नहीं आता है तो फॉर्मूला बता देता हूं, याद रखिए. Now the expense will be done after how many years, everyone? The expense will be done after 5 years.
5 years.
You have to calculate the value today. अगर आज मैं खर्चा करता तो कितना लगता? If today I spend this amount, what will be the actual value? So this is after 5 years. I say the rate is 10%. I say the rate is 10%. Sir, how should we do? When coming to Excel also, I'll teach you, no issues. But here, 2 lakh divided by, that is into 1 divided by 1 plus R to the power of n. So 2 lakh into 1 divided by 1.10 to the power of 5. So everyone, please calculate and say me the value. If you have normal calculator 1 divided by 1.10 is equal to. In SBR, आपको Excel use कम करना है. You will be using word only. So I say better have a calculator in your hand. Because you do some question on Excel, then again you come on Word, it could be a problem. I say better that to do the question on Word only. I'll come to those points. But please say me what is the value here. One, 2, 4, 184. Everyone, if you do rounding of 12400, सबको समझ में आया? Now this expenditure should be done after 5 years. But today, how we will record? Today we will recognize this as an asset. Today we will recognize this as an asset and we will recognize a provision. Sir, अभी ये provision क्या होता है? Provision basically means everyone liability. Provision means what, everyone? Liability. So what is my liability today? This one. Now, if I have discounted something, what should I do? I have to unwind it. Spring कैसे होता है? If you press, can I say slowly you will unwind or not? You will open it on. Same way, if you have discounted something, everyone, you will open it up. You will open it up. Sir, कैसे? I hope सबको ये आता है. अगर नहीं आता है, तो वापस सीख लो. And see here now. What is the value, everyone? Present value 124. I'll take. Every year, you have to charge 10% interest. Nothing. So what is the value of the liability? Liability की value कितनी हो जाएगी? Do this, everyone. 2 lakh 10%. What will become the value of the liability?
36,400.
36,400. Everyone understood? तो provision को क्या करते हैं? Sir, provision, when we calculate, we discount it and slowly every year we unwind it. When you unwind it, everyone, where will you record this? This 12,400, you will record this in P&L as an expense finance cost. If you remember the P&L format, everyone, finance cost करके था कि नहीं? Yes. And sir, what should we do for this asset? This asset you will depreciate. You will depreciate. Yes. Now see, everyone. When I say my value is 1,24,000, this value will become equal to how much, everyone, after 5 years? यही है ना? Discounting, unwinding. So what is this, everyone? What is the total expense you will record for 5 years? खर्चा कितना record करोगे आप लोग 5 साल के लिए? 26,000, sir. You will record 26,000, everyone. Yes. And this machine which you have, everyone, you will depreciate for 5 years. So can I say ultimately the expense which you record in P&L is how much? 5 साल के लिए जो आप खर्चा record करोगे वो कितना हुआ? It will be 1,50,000 only ultimately. Sir, how, sir? This 1,24,000 you will depreciate for 5 years. and you will unwind this, which will be a finance cost. So this is also an expense in P&L. This is also an expense in P&L. Ultimately, you're recording this as an expense only, but we are doing something known as time pass, which is what discounting and recording something new. कुछ नहीं, जो इंसान इसने बनाया ना IAS 16, उसका दिमाग बहुत ज्यादा चलता है. Instead of recording this 1,50,000 today only expense, they are saying what? Record this as an expense slowly in the form of depreciation, in the form of finance cost, because of matching principle. Understood everyone the concept of this one? सबको समझ में आया? Yes. So see everyone now, coming back here. Please, wherever you have written everyone, please write down this below that. Decommissioning cost is added to the cost of the PP. This question has been tested in the exam for 6 months. There are 2 past papers regarding this topic. Write down, decommissioning cost is added to the cost of PPE. Write down, a provision, a liability is recognized. Depreciation is charged on the asset. And unwinding of discount is recorded as finance cost every year. 4 points. I'm going very slow, everyone. I hope you are understanding. We have done the definition, recognition, initial measurement. Still, we are in initial measurement only. Nothing new. Yes, sir. Sir, ये तो समझ में आ गया. I hope everyone written. If you have written well, if you are not writing also, no issues. You have the notes also. As I mentioned, discussion is very, very important, Baba. If you think कि sir खाली practice only by doing calculation you'll pass SBR, no. You have to discuss a lot of points and you have to think from multiple angle point of view कि सर ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. नहीं तो क्या बहुत दिक्कत होगा एग्जाम में, because every time a new scenario will come in the exam. So first develop that. 1 month before the exam will focus on the from the exam point of view, but now you should think.
सर
Yes.
डिसमेंटलिंग का एक बार एंट्री बता देंगे सर आप?
एंट्री आऊंगा मैं एंट्री आऊंगा. Everyone done writing? Yes, yes sir. चलो then. Everyone please write down this entry. ये दोनों entry record कर लो. You will record this as an asset and you will record this as provision. Provision means again everyone saying liability. And then every year, what will you do? Finance cost you'll record in P&L. And you'll increase the value of liability. Yes. Whenever the difference is more than 1 year, everything you have to discount. Agar there is a difference of more than 12 months, follow discounting. Every standard. We will do a standard known as IAS 19. उधर तो पूरा discounting ही है, कुछ नहीं है. If the time difference is more than 12 months, simply discount it. Yes. In exam also, the examiner will not say you. If a case scenario is given and where you see the payment is done after 2 years, just mention that we will discount and record it. Yes, sir. Done everyone? Yes, sir. Chalo then everyone. So dismantling cost, everyone see everyone. Dismantling cost, we will capitalize the amount. We'll record asset, we will record provision. And what we will do? Sir, every year we will unwind it and we record the finance cost in P&L. Under which category, everyone? Financing. We have learned 3 categories: operating, investing, and financing. In your exam, you have to mention that it will be recorded in P&L under financing category. You have to complete the sentence. If you just write down that this is recorded in P&L, examiner will deduct your marks. Simple. Because examiner strictly mentioned now that you have to mention this. Yes. And for each expense, I'll say where it will be recorded. Yes. Now, everyone, this is the question, everyone. Below that, write down the question 1 and please solve this, everyone. Please pass the journal entry, everyone. Start solving the question, everyone. Quick. I hope everyone, my pace is okay. I'm going slow only. The initial classes I'll go very slow. Some students will say, sir, we know this topic. Even though if you know, it is a revision for you. I know that I'll not be able to teach the same way I teach in FR. For FR, I teach this topic in 9 hours. Total 9 hours. But इधर अपन 9 hours spend नहीं करेंगे. Maximum 5 hours. I want you to calculate the cost of the asset and I want you to record the journal entry for the first year. A Limited purchased an oil rig for $5 million. Additionally, it incurred installation cost of $2 million. The company estimated that decommissioning cost of $2 million will be incurred after 6 years. The appropriate discount rate is 5%. अगर आपको एक्सेल यूज करना है एक्सेल यूज कर सकते हैं नो सच इश्यूज इन दैट सो
1.492 million.
purchase price 5 million installation cost I will add it decommissioning cost हाँ इतना इजी क्वेश्चन आएगा नहीं मुझे भी मालूम है एग्जाम में बट नो द बेसिक इनटू 1 divided by 1.05 to the power of 6 this is 1.4 everyone approx 1.492 okay
Yes, sir.
then what is the total cost
8.49.
8.492 so what is the journal entry everyone अरे नोटबुक में लिखना आप लोगों को debit asset everyone 8.492 cash that is going out and liability means what everyone here provision कितने का provision है 1.492
1.492.
and the remaining we will record in what everyone so remaining किधर record करेंगे सर P&L में सर P&L में क्या अरे कैश कम होगा यस डेबिट asset credit cash is going out and a liability yes then every year what will you do everyone debit credits of finance cost and then sir provision की वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी
74620.
0.74
0.07462 million.
हाँ भाई ये मिस्टेक मत करना पॉइंट्स में ठीक है depreciation they have not given anything I'm assuming that the useful life is 50 years so what will be the depreciation everyone हाँ depreciation मत लिखो बाबू हम depreciation का entry दिक्कत होगा some will say somewhat yes every year we will record this finance cost is so what will be the value of provision after 1 year after 1 year what is the value of the provision
1.567.
yes sir everyone understood this concept also dismantling this same concept will again repeat in leases again it will repeat in IS 37 मैं उधर नहीं करूंगा everyone done yes sir चलो then everyone sir this is done बताओ you have to be quick enough everyone yes sir first year this is the value this will be recorded what everyone P&L financing category
Financing capital.
yes sir हो गया yes sir done so chalo everyone now so let us come back to the cost everyone sir we have understood this finance cost wala something new
Sir,
Then-
how did you get 0.07, sir?
अरे बाबा C in points बाबा would have done some mistake in million या others please confirm it's correct मैं कुछ कैलकुलेटर एक्सेल कुछ यूज नहीं करूंगा आपको यूज करना है पूरा Where required, I'll use. कितना परसेंटेज है? 5%, then 0.07 ही आएगा.
5%.
हाँ, करेक्ट है भाई.
सर मिलियंस
एक्सेल
में
यूज
तो
करना
उतना ही आ रहा है.
क्या?
उतना ही सर, मिलियंस में तो उतना ही आ रहा है.
अरे बाबा, हाँ, it's right. It's right. Done? Yes, sir. So with this, we are done with this, everyone. Arjun sir, I hope you got it. Yes. So ये वाला topic पूरा हो गया. Now see everyone, one or two points which I mentioned extra. Please listen. Sale proceed during the testing process. When you test, you get some output that you'll record this as an income. Okay? Yes, sir. Then cash discount and settlement discount. Will you consider? No, sir. You will not consider. Then any subsequent expenditure which you do. Subsequent expenditure का meaning क्या है? Once your asset is ready, after that also you do some expenditure. Sir, should we add it or should we take it to P&L? Decide based on what? Capital expenditure, revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure you will add, revenue expenditure you take it to
P&L.
P&L. Yes,
P&L.
yes, sir. ये हो गया. चलो ये part. Then coming to this point, everyone, let me explain. आता नहीं एग्जाम में, but is an additional point. See, any expense incurred or any income earned during the construction shall not be capitalized or decapitalized if such income or expense are not related to constructed asset. समझ में आया? नहीं सर, भी समझो इधर. Everyone, let's say this is my land. I am constructing my factory here. This space is free, everyone. This space is free. What will I do? I will try to give this on rent. फैक्ट्री बन रही है, बट मैंने क्या किया? What I've done, I have some space, I've given this on rent or car parking, etc. Can I say when I give this on rent, I'll get some income or not?
Yes.
This income, will you reduce from the cost of the asset? No, you will record this in P&L as an income. इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है फैक्ट्री से. Understood? Simple. कभी आया नहीं है एग्जाम में, but have an idea. Yes. So what all we have completed, everyone. If you see, definition done, recognition, measurement, cost we have done, capital expenditure, decommissioning. Is this done? अभी क्या है? आज अपन depreciation करेंगे. Okay? Depreciation, if we have time, we'll start with this also. Okay, now a much required break. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes. Yes sir. आवाज आ गई तुम लोग? कितने मिनट का ब्रेक दो? 15. 10 मिनट का तो चलेगा. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
ब्रेक ले लो. Back everyone? Everyone back? Yes or no? बताओ मुझे.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
So now
Yes,
everyone,
sir.
now we will be starting with the topic of depreciation. How many of you say कि सर हमको depreciation आता है? सबको आता है. हाँ, calculation नहीं आएगा एग्जाम में. A theory question can come which will be related with some other standard. Now let us understand the calculation part, the theory part. We'll understand some points. When coming to some other standard, how it is linked, etc. वो बाद में करेंगे ये सब. Now let us start with this, everyone. Now let me take an example. Coming to this, we'll do a question also. Now see everyone. Sir, we have understood the definition. हमने asset को record भी कर दिया. We recorded this at cost also, sir. Now, sir, once we record an asset, sir, today let's say, sir, it is 1st January 2000x1. You purchased an asset, everyone. You recorded this asset at cost. Sir, what is the cost? I say that your cost is $10,000. Now, everyone, I say that. Let's take an example, everyone. I have purchased the iPhone. I have purchased the iPhone और iPhone का कॉस्ट कितना था? 1000. Now when coming to this iPhone, everyone, the person जो मेरे को बेच रहा है, store, the salesman, he is saying कि sir, this iPhone you can use for 15 years. वो क्या बोल रहा है? You can use this for 15 years. But do you think that you will be able to use this for 15 years? क्या लगता है आप लोगों को? No ना? Now everyone see, there are two different terms again. This 15 years is something known as economical life. And I say that I know that normally when we purchase a phone, normally we use for 7 to 8 years max. So can I say useful life कितना होगा? 8. So when you depreciate everyone, जब आप depreciation charge करते हो, will you use economic life or useful life? Useful life.
Useful life.
Avoid silly mistake in this, everyone. Yes, sir. Now see everyone, coming back here. Now I say the useful life is 8 years. Or let's say the useful life is 5 years of this iPhone. So what is the depreciation, everyone? मेरा depreciation कितना है?
200.
Huh?
200.
200, everyone? Yes. Then what is the value here then? I have used this iPhone for the year. I have charged the depreciation of 200. And what will be the value here when coming to subsequent measurement? Sir, 1000 minus 200. That is what, everyone? 800. Then next year again, sir, 200. Sir, 200. 200. Yes or no, everyone? This is the way you will charge depreciation and you will record it. Any doubts to anyone in this? इसमें किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Sir, this is the basic calculation of depreciation where we purchase an asset. Sir, this asset will provide the benefit for 5 years. We recorded the expense for 5 years in total, simple done. Yes. Now, everyone, let me take one more example. Let's say I purchased a machine for 10,000, everyone. On 1st January 2000 X1, I say that after 5 years, I will sell this machine and I will get something known as residual value और स्क्रैप वैल्यू. अगर मैं भंगार में बेचूंगा इसको 5 साल के बाद में, this machine, from this machine, I will get, let's say, I'll get $2,000. This $2,000 is what scrap value, residual value. After 5 years, when you sell the asset, if you're not using, अगर आप यूज नहीं करोगे, 5 साल के बाद में बेचोगे, you will get 2,000. So everyone, when coming to this, what is your ultimate cost? आपका खर्चा कितना हुआ ultimate?
8,000.
8,000. This 8,000 is known as, everyone, depreciable amount. This 8,000 is known as depreciable amount, and this is the maximum depreciation which you can record for 5 years. अगर आपने asset आज 10,000 में purchase किया, you purchased an asset for 10,000 and you are getting a scrap value or residual value after 5 years, which is 2,000. Your ultimate cost is how much? What is your ultimate expense? 8,000. This 8,000 will provide a benefit for how many years? 5 years.
5 years.
So what is this, everyone? कितना 1,600 आएगा क्या?
1,600.
Yes, every year 1,600, 1,600. Yes, sir. So this is which method, everyone? इसको बोलते हैं SLM method. This is known as straight line method, where the depreciation is same for the entire 5 years. This is the SLM method. So what all did we learn? Sir, we have learned something known as cost. We have learned something known as residual value. We have learned something known as depreciable amount, and we have learned something known as useful life. So formula क्या बना? Cost less residual value divided by useful life. Divided by what, everyone? Useful life. This is for which method? SLM method. In case of SLM, the depreciation will be equal. Yes, sir. So why the depreciation will be equal? Because the benefit which you get from the phone will be equal for the 5 years. If you're not getting the benefit which is equal, then you will use some other method. SLM सबको clear है? Yes. Now, coming to the next, everyone. The next method, the first method was SLM. The second method which we will be doing is WTV. Or you say what? दूसरा नाम क्या है इसका?
Reducing balance.
सबको आता है? Now see, everyone. Here, what did we see? Is a cost minus residual value. Useful life. Here, what will you do, everyone? Here, let's say, everyone, I purchased an asset for 10,000 cost. And I say, everyone, the rate is how much, everyone? 50% is the rate. So what will be the depreciation for the first year?
5,000.
10,000 into 50%. How much is this, everyone? 5,000. So the depreciation for the first year is how much? 5,000. Now, sir, what is the carrying amount?
5,000.
5,000. For the second year, what is the depreciation? 5,000 into what? 50%. How much is this?
2,500.
2,500. So what is my carrying amount here? 2,500. Yes? Yes. Then third year, everyone. Third year, what will I do? 2,500 into 50%. How much is this?
1,002.
Everyone, do you agree? ये सबको आता है, but दिक्कत किधर है ना? Now I mention everyone, this iPhone which I purchased has a residual value of how much? 2000. And this is 10,000. What is the maximum depreciation I can record? Maximum मैं कितना record कर सकता हूँ?
800.
8,000.
8,000. So can I say everyone, I have to stop the depreciation till 2000 or not? The one which I've done in third year, is this right or wrong? This is wrong.
Wrong.
So what is the depreciation for the third year? 2,500. Maximum depreciation is what? 500. The carrying amount should be equal to what? 2,000. सबको समझ में आया ये? Understand the difference. I know कि ये SBR में इतना आएगा नहीं डिटेल में, but you should know. So SLM method clear, sir? WDV also clear. Why do we charge depreciation? What is the basic logic for charging depreciation?
Matching principle.
Matching principle. In your class 11th and 12th, you have done wear and tear of the asset or not? सर asset जैसे यूज करेंगे वैल्यू कम हो जाएगी तो अपन depreciation record कर रहे हैं. हाँ जी सर. This is WDV, yes sir. Then there is one more method which is known as what, everyone? The third method is known as machine hours, or the number of units produced. Let's say I purchase the machine for 10,000. This machine can only manufacture 2,000 units. How many units? 2,000. In the first year, I manufacture, let's say 500. In the second year, I manufacture 4. Third year, 4. Again, then 500. Then in the fifth year, I manufacture 200. So can I say, how will you allocate the depreciation here? Either depreciation कैसे allocate करोगे? I say residual value is 2,000. So how will you allocate, everyone? You will allocate 10,000 minus 2,000, which is equal to what? 8,000. 8,000 into 500 divided by 2,000. Then 8,000 into what? 400 divided by 2,000. Then 8,000 into what? 400 divided by 2,000. Can I say this is the way you will continue? You will record the depreciation. सबको clear? All the three methods are clear to everyone? इसमें कोई दिक्कत भी नहीं होगा. In SBR, you need not know this detailed calculation also, but you should know the basic of depreciation calculation. So useful life will be given, asset value will be given, we will divide it, we'll calculate the depreciation. Yes. Now in exam, what is important? ये कुछ important नहीं exam. In exam, the important point is that, sir, when we will start depreciation? Sir, depreciation कब से start करेंगे?
When machine is ready.
Let's say everyone, I purchased a machine today at $10,000. I say that I will use this machine after 9 months. मैंने machine purchase कर लिया. I can use it, but I'm not using it. I purchased the machine, everyone. I can use it, but I'm not using it. I'm saying after 9 months, I will use the machine. Will I charge depreciation from today or after 9 months?
Today.
Everyone, please say me. Today or
Today.
after 7
Today.
months or 9 months? Today.
Today.
Okay.
Simple. If you purchase an iPhone today, even though if you're not using, can I say after 1 year the value will be less or not? अगर आपने यूज भी नहीं किया है, ऐसे ही बॉक्स में पड़ा है, उसकी वैल्यू कम होगी कि नहीं? Because of technology, etc. XYZ. So whenever the asset is available for use, अगर asset ready है use करने के लिए, again think IAS 16 standing in front of you saying that it's your mistake. If you're not using the asset, I can't do anything. You have to charge depreciation. अगर आप asset use नहीं कर रहे हो, तो still you have to charge what, everyone? Depreciation. समझ में आया? Depreciation कब start होगा? Yes sir. सर अभी ये तो समझ में आ गया सर, depreciation कब start करेंगे? When we will start depreciation? But when will you stop depreciation, everyone? When will you stop? When you sell the asset. अगर आपने asset ही बेच दिया तो will you charge depreciation after that? No बेटे. Sir, हमने asset बेच दिया और I say your depreciation 10,000 minus 2,000, 8,000. 8,000 is the maximum depreciation. You have already recorded the entire depreciation. अगर आपने पूरा depreciation record कर दिया, after that will you record any other depreciation? No. Understood? When will you start the depreciation? When the asset is ready for use. Yes, sir. Then when will you stop the
Available for use.
depreciation? So when
Asset is
sell the
derecognized.
asset. Or we have already depreciated. Yes, sir. Now, sir, what is the maximum depreciation we can record? Depreciable amount.
2000.
Yes. And depreciation will be recorded in P&L under which category? Operating category. सर ये तो समझ में आ गया सर. अभी जर्नल एंट्री क्या है डेप्रिसिएशन का? टुडे आई परचेज एन असेट, डेबिट असेट, क्रेडिट कैश, $10,000. $10,000. I say residual value is 2,000. Useful life is 5 years. Everyone, what is the depreciation for the first year? Please say me. 1,600, everyone.
Yes,
What
1600.
is the carrying amount? Carrying amount is cost minus AD. Sir, अभी AD क्या है? AD is what everyone? Accumulated depreciation.
6400.
Excuse me, accumulated depreciation. Sir, the entry which we have learned in class 11th and 12th, depreciation will reduce the value of the asset. So asset value is decreasing, so you reduce it, credit it, and you record this in P&L as an expense. Yes or no? Yes, sir. But now, when you're learning something new, IS and IFRS, we are learning something new, not normal BCom, etc. So the standard is saying what? You should not follow the center. What should you do? You should record this as what? You will record this depreciation expense and accumulated depreciation. You should record this as accumulated depreciation. Sir, what is this accumulated depreciation? This accumulated depreciation is a basket in which every year you store the depreciation. पहले साल का depreciation कितना है? 1,600. This is the basket. In this basket, 1,600. Then again for the next year, how much is this? 1,600. Again next year, 1,600. So in this basket, you accumulate the depreciation. Will you directly reduce the value of the asset? Directly asset की value कम कर रहे हैं? नहीं. We record what in accumulated depreciation. Yes. So what will be your carrying amount here? 8,400. सबको clear?
1400.
Yes. Now everyone, do you know something that is a ledger? किसको ledger बोलते हैं? I hope you will be knowing everyone. Huh? Asset. When I purchased a PP, what is the value of my PP in the ledger? 10,000. Yes or no? Now, when I charge accumulated depreciation I mentioned it is a basket. Basket है तो इसका ledger भी बनेगा. Now, every year, I record this depreciation. Every year, I record this depreciation. So everyone, what is the value of my asset in my ledger? What is the value of my asset in the ledger?
At cost.
10,000. Yes or no? अभी ये basic है. I have seen students when they come to SBR, उनको सब आता है. They know IS and IFRS. When you go for the interview now, the examiner will ask you so basic journal entries, everyone now. You will say क्या है ये? I have seen that. Basic journal entries they'll ask you why are you recording the depreciation in accumulated depreciation account? Why are you not reducing the asset? They'll ask you this question. They'll ask you what is the journal entry for credit sales. These basic journal entries will be tested in the exam, so you should have a basic common sense. Yes, sir. इसका आइडिया होना चाहिए सर. Clear everyone? सबको समझ में आया? AD क्या होता है एक्सेट्रा? Yes, sir. चलो हो गए. Now see everyone coming back. See everyone. Depreciation. Depreciation is the systematic allocation of depreciable amount of an asset over its useful life, not economic life. Depreciable amount is the cost of the asset or other amount substitute for cost less its residual value. Yes, sir. क्या था ये? Cost less residual value. Then depreciation on PP starts from the date the asset is available for use. जब से asset available है, you will charge. Depreciation on PP ceases when the PP is sold or when IFRS 5 conditions are being met. We will discuss this later on. Then depreciation is charged in P&L under operating category. What are the methods? SLM, cost less residual value divided by useful life. Opening carrying amount into the depreciation rate. Units of production method. Based on the units which you manufacture, you will record. Will you record a depreciation for land, everyone? No, Baba, no. Sir, yes. Clear है? सबको तीनों method clear है? Now everyone, when coming to useful life, this useful life is an estimate or a for sure value or a actual value. Estimate है कि actual value है.
Estimate.
अगर आज मैंने आईफोन परचेज किया है, कैन आई गारंटी दैट आई विल यूज फॉर 8 years? तुक्का, estimate. I estimate that I will use this for 8 years, or I can use this iPhone for 6 years. So useful life is an estimate. Yes, sir. सर रेसिडुअल वैल्यू 5 साल के बाद में कितना पैसा मिलेगा, ये क्या है? एक्चुअल वैल्यू और रेसिडुअल वैल्यू? एक्चुअल वैल्यू और एस्टिमेट? एस्टिमेट, ये भी एस्टिमेट है ना। 5 साल के बाद में कितना मिलेगा, गारंटी है क्या? यू एस्टिमेट कि सर इतना मिल सकता, सर वी विल गेट दिस मच। ओके, सो यूजफुल लाइफ, रेसिडुअल वैल्यू, बोथ आर एस्टिमेट। यस, everyone done? Write down the heading depreciation, everyone. Write down the heading as depreciation. Write down the heading as depreciation, everyone. Please write down the heading as depreciation. No need to write this all alone. ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. Write down the heading of depreciation, and everyone please start solving this question. Please solve this question using all the 3 methods. Please solve this question using all the 3 methods, everyone. You have 5 minutes, everyone. Please start solving. They have given the useful life also, na? Yeah. 3 years they have given. Residual value, cost, everything is given. As I mentioned, hardly 4 topics will do per day. Definition we have done today, recognition, initial measurement, and then depreciation. Depreciation, one more point is that we will discuss that and we will wind up the session. Does that chooses that from machine sure to think obvious that Keshav is the Kushi is the name is the Kushi it is the sir I can so eighth is not that answer देगा तुमको वो इतना ही है शता भी नहीं है Is my value correct, everyone?
But earlier is
Yes.
2125.
What is this value, everyone? 4,250 into 50%. How much is this? 2,000.
2125.
125. But why did I record the entire amount? Can I say इसका useful life कितना साल था? 3 years. So you have to end. So whatever is that difference will be adjusted in the last year. Yes. Then coming to machine hours. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे नहीं, बट मैं करवा रहा हूं so that the depreciation part is clear to everyone. If I mention in PL means every year this is the depreciation, everyone. I hope everyone understood all the 3 methods. Yes, sir. As I mentioned initial this class, when coming to IS 40, IS 38, quick. The focus will be from the definition recognition. The other calculations I will not teach again, amortization, etc. तो मैं क्वेश्चन भी नहीं लूंगा amortization का. Done. सबने क्लियर हो गए सबका? So we have completed the depreciation. Now from the exam point of view, everyone, so what is important? By chance I say, if in exam a question is given and both the values are given, useful life is also given, percentage is also given, sir, what should we follow? Now when will you follow SLM and when will you follow WTV? SLM कब follow करते हो? You follow SLM, everyone, when you get equal benefits. When you get what, everyone? You get equal benefits. Depreciation will start when, sorry, my bad, when you get equal benefits every year. If you see from the point of view furniture, etc., the benefit which you get will be equal. But when coming to electronic item, will the benefit be same on the day 1 and after 2 years? No, the benefit will be different. So if you're getting more benefit today and slowly the benefit will decrease, then use what? WDV. If you're getting the benefit equally, then use SLR. Yes, sir. So with this, everyone, depreciation is completed. The depreciation part is completed. This depreciation is also linked to some other topic. Component accounting वो कल करेंगे, आज नहीं. Now we'll do a small topic and after that we'll end the session. Now this topic which I'll be doing, this topic is important from theory point of view, but first you have to understand the calculation. Okay? Chalo now. Can I start? Others please confirm whether you have done or not. सबका हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes,
everyone,
sir.
please mention the next heading, everyone. Change in estimate. Very, very important. The June pre-mock 8 mark question was there regarding this. Theory, calculation नहीं. अभी अपन calculation करेंगे, but slowly I'll explain 2 to 3 points which are important from theory. लिख लिया सबने heading? Yes, sir. Now everyone, if you have written the heading, everyone, please write down the example also, everyone. Please write down the example. Write down the example. Will not do a question, means we'll do a example directly so that you understand it. Company A purchased an asset for $10,000, which has a useful life of 5 years, which has a useful life of 10 years. कब परचेज किया? That is on 1st January 2001. Yes. After 4 years, the my bad. The residual value, right? And the residual value is 2000. After 4 years, the residual value and useful life calculate the depreciation for the 5th year. You directly given a question, but write down the question.
900.
रुको बाबा थांबा. Can we start everyone with the solution? Yes. Now everyone, if you remember yesterday we discussed two important points. Prospective and retrospective impact. Prospective का meaning क्या था? Prospective means we consider the change from today. Retrospective means what? We consider the change from day one when you start a business. If I started my business, let's say in 1995, so I'll make the changes from 1995. Sir, कैसे करेंगे? क्या करेंगे? I'll come to that also. We have a separate standard also for that. Yes. Now see everyone, I purchased an asset today, everyone. When did I purchase an asset? 1st January 2000 X1. It's X1, X2, X3, X4. Today when I purchased the asset, I paid how much cost? 10,000. Residual value was 2,000. Useful life was what? How much? 8 years. Can I say everyone, these two are what? These two are what? Estimate. ये दोनों क्या है? ये दोनों estimate है. So the standard is saying whenever the estimate is changing. Now everyone, today when I estimated, I say my useful life is 8 years. ये जो estimate है ये तुक्का है. Can I say your तुक्का will change or not every year or not? अगर आपने आज let's say you have given SBR exam, you say कि sir 55 आएगा. After 2 or 3 hours, you contact me, sir ये आया था मैंने ऐसे लिखा था. I say you will score more. Can I say your estimate will change? After that you see some telegram group, sir इसका आंसर ये था मेरा मैच हुआ. You will say कि sir मेरे को 60 आएगा. Can I say again and again your estimate will change or not? जैसे आपको नया information मिलेगा, as you get new information, can I say your estimate will change? Yes sir. So everyone, now this estimate will change. If the estimate is changing, everyone, we have to do which type of accounting, everyone? Prospective accounting. You have to do prospective accounting. Prospective accounting means from today consider the changes. If you are given the exam, you can't do anything. Now focus on your future. Focus on the coming attempt. So now, sir, what will be the depreciation for the first year, everyone? Depreciation कितना होगा? अरे useful life 8 है कि 10 है? 10 है ना?
10 is
10 plus
हाँ 10 10. Okay 10. How much is this, everyone?
8.
800, 800, 800, 800. What is the carrying amount, everyone? Carrying amount at the end of 4th year.
6,800.
कर लिया? Everyone, I hope till here you have done. किसी को कोई doubt नहीं sir. Sir, till here we have done, sir. There is no such doubt regarding this topic. Yes, sir. We got the carrying amount as this one. Now everyone here on this day, due to some circumstances, the estimates are changing. Now what is the residual value, everyone? अभी residual value कितना है? 1000, and the remaining useful life is how much? 2 years. 10 years. Out of 10 years, you have already used this for 4 years. What is the remaining useful life? 6. But now the standard is saying what? Or when we estimate the useful life, but what is the actual useful life when we estimate? 2 years. So now prospective accounting, how it is done? Can I say at the end of the 4th year, the value of the asset is 6,800. Now everyone, instead of cost minus residual value divided by useful life, you will use what? Carrying amount minus new residual value divided by new remaining useful life. So that is how much? 6,800 minus what?
1,000.
1,000 divided by what?
2.
तो कितना आ रहा है? वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है?
2,900.
1000 divided by 2. So this 5,800 divided by 2. So 2,900 is your depreciation. So everyone, till 4th year you have done. 4th year का change नहीं करना है. You are standing at 31st 12 X1. You have already recorded the depreciation of 4th year. उसके बाद में for the 5th year, what will be the depreciation? So 5th year, the depreciation will be what, everyone? 2,900, and what will be your carrying amount?
39.
39. 39, yes. I hope this is clear to everyone. Estimate part. So estimate residual value. जब भी कुछ change होता है, the one which is estimate residual value useful life is changed. What will you do? Prospective or retrospective impact? Prospective. Simple.
Yeah.
I hope everyone have understood this point. Everyone, please make a note of this. If you have done the solution, good. If not, do it. As I mentioned, when coming to SBR, SBR will test your patience. From the day one, I'll say that only. Then at the end, then do not say me ki sir, this small topic we have not done. A question of 8 mark, 10 mark came in the exam. Everything is important. Every attempt, the FR small standards, 20 to 25 marks will be tested. Part 1 and part 2. That depends upon your luck now. If you're lucky, the one which you have done will come in your exam. If not, then you'll say ki sir, I left this topic and yahi aayega sir exam. To everyone, whenever there is an accounting estimate, जब भी accounting estimate change होता है, prospective की retrospective impact लगेगा.
Prospective.
If I say accounting policy is changing, if I say accounting policy is changing, you do retrospective impact. Which impact you do?
Retrospective.
Put it down, everyone. Note it down. जिधर आपने estimate change in estimate लिखा ना, below that change in policy retrospective, change in estimate prospective. Write down. Cost question can come from calculation. Depreciation will come from theory point of view. Change in estimate. In depreciation, we have one more topic we'll do now. component accounting करके we have time, we can do it. That comes for theory. Then you have revaluation, cost and revaluation, that also come for calculation. And then the disclosure part. 5 important topics. Yes. I hope everyone done writing this. So see now everyone, change in estimate. Method of depreciation, residual value, useful life, all are estimate and should be reviewed at each reporting date in case there is any change. Excuse me. Then such change shall be considered as change in accounting estimate and its impact shall be taken on prospective basis. Prospective basis means for the future, simple. So अपन ये formula लिखा कि नहीं? That is new carrying amount or net book value etc. minus revised residual value, revised remaining useful life. Yes. Clear? Estimate part clear. So in depreciation, first we have seen the depreciation, the basic theory, change in estimate. Now we will be doing the next topic, that is component accounting. Component accounting. Everyone, please write down this heading now. Next. The last topic for today. Component accounting. Component accounting. Again saying theory point of view, very, very important. Depreciation कब start होता है? When should we stop? Change in estimate, how the accounting is done, prospective. Component accounting also theory. Understand the calculation, automatically you can write down the theory in your own words. There is no need कि आपको copy paste same लिखना, no sir. Now चलो, let us start with component accounting. Everyone, can you see a picture here? This picture is regarding what? सर ये तो हमको इतना तो मालूम है सर, जब से ABCD सीख रहे थे सीख ही रहे, एरोप्लेन है. Now that is from an ABCD point of view, but now when coming to IAS 16, everyone, can you see everyone, there is a aeroplane. This aeroplane has multiple components or not? अलग अलग parts है कि नहीं? Yes or no?
Yes.
And I say different parts are there and different parts have different useful life. एक aeroplane में, yeah, you can say a big machine is there. In that big machine, there are small components like a motor, etc., which has different useful life. उनका useful life अलग है. If the useful life is different, everyone, the depreciation calculation should also be done in a different way. Okay? Yes? So, you have written the heading. Anji sir, write down the question, everyone. Company A. Company A purchased the aeroplane. Company A purchased an aeroplane which has a cost. Company A purchased an aeroplane. Cost of $100,000 was incurred. Cost of $100,000 was incurred. Everyone done writing? Or you can write down the values also. No need to write down the entire English. Okay. The company purchased an aeroplane which has a cost of $100,000, everyone. Now, out of this $100,000, everyone, please mention in your own words. There are 3 components, everyone. पहला वाला engine, interior, and the place where we store the luggage. Let's say engine का value है 40,000, 20,000, 25,000. This is 35,000. The useful life of engine is 5 years, interior 3 years, this one 20 years. Asset is there which has a cost of $100,000, but there are multiple components. So as per IAS 16, when a big asset has multiple small assets, we have to depreciate separately. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Component accounting. Separate it and depreciate. Everyone say me, what is the depreciation here? Depreciation कितना है?
8,000.
8,000 for the first one. There are 2 past papers regarding this entire theory, but understand the calculation, theory will become easy.
8,000. 8,333.
क्या वैल्यू है ये?
1,750.
1,750. Any doubts to anyone per year depreciation? Now everyone, sir, this is simple. Yeah, इतना ही है. Component accounting means what? You have to separate and you have to depreciate. Simple. और कुछ नहीं. Sir, अभी let me add a small point, everyone. Let's say you're using this engine. At the end of you're using this aeroplane. At the end of the second year, this engine is not working. 2 साल के बाद में इंजन काम नहीं कर रही. The engine is not working. Then what will you do, everyone? If the engine is not working, what will you do? बेचोगे क्या कि इंजन को रिप्लेस करोगे?
Replace.
Repair करो.
Replace. Yes, sir, you will replace. Let's say, everyone, what is the carrying amount of this after 2 years? After 2 years, what is the carrying amount, everyone? What is the value of engine after 2 years? This
24,000.
24,000. Here, what is the value of this one, everyone? After 2 years, what is the value of this one? 35,000 minus 1,750 minus 1,750. कितना है?
8.
31,500. Am I right?
Even 5,000. Yes.
Yes, yes. Now I say, everyone, but what is the total value of this aeroplane? Aeroplane का total value कितना बेटे? What's the total value of the aeroplane?
63,833. 3,833.
3,008.
33.
Ah, yes, sir. Now everyone, I say, after 2 years, engine is not working, you will replace the engine. So everyone, the new engine, you purchase a new engine. The value of the new engine is 50,000 everyone. आपने नया इंजन परचेज किया, आपने नया इंजन you are purchase a new engine which has a useful life of 5 years again. So everyone, what will be the value of the new aeroplane? New carrying amount of the aeroplane will be what? 24,000 plus sorry, my bad. 63833. Can I say minus this 24,000, everyone? इसको हटा रहे हो ना? And what
Yes.
are you adding? 50,000. So what is the
50,000.
value of this, everyone? What is the new value of the aeroplane?
89,833.
89,833. Clear, everyone? Understood component accounting? Yes, sir. Sir, अभी third year के लिए depreciation क्या होगा? Third year depreciation will be what, everyone? What will be the third year depreciation? 89,833. Out of this again, sir, 50,000. Then what is that? 31,500 divided by for remaining 18 years, and this 833 for 1 year. This will be for 5 years. So what is the new depreciation, everyone, for the third year? 10,833, and here 1,750. With one example, I've discussed 2 topics. One is component accounting and replacement. When you replace any component, how do you do the accounting? Now, everyone, can you write down this in theory or not in your own words? As per IS 16, if a asset is there and it has multiple components, we have to depreciate separately 1 marks. Then, if a component is replaced, we remove the old carrying amount and we add the new carrying amount. The old carrying amount will directly be recorded in P&L as a loss. Because इसका कुछ मिलेगा क्या? If you sell this engine, if you get some amount, then no such issues. If you're not getting even a single penny, the entire amount is your loss. Everyone understood this component accounting with the help of this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note it down, everyone. I hope you have written the question. बना लो और कर लो. चलो कर लो फटाफट. There is only one question regarding this one, everyone. That also it is included in consolidation. So we'll not be able to do now this question. Once we do consolidation, at that time we'll be able to do that question. Now we'll not be able to do a question which is there regarding this. Previous attempt also, IAS 16, IAS 40 was mixed and an 8-mark requirement was tested. That is a transfer case which is frequently repeated in the exam. Same thing which you have done in FR, nothing new. But here it's important from theory point of view. The theory will be application. I'll show a question regarding useful life, component accounting, etc. How a 8-mark question was tested in the exam.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 24,000 is recorded in P&L in which category? Operating.
Operating. Operating.
Okay.
Everything will go to operating. हो गया सबका? तो चलो ना. Everyone done? हाँ जी सर, हो गया है. Yes sir. See now everyone, replacement. Each significant part of a PP with a cost that is significant in relation to the total cost should be depreciated separately. Yes, sir. If significant part have same useful life and same depreciation method, then no need to separate it. एक साथ ही करना. Now, when you remove, see, carrying amount of new PP will be what? Carrying amount of the old PP minus the carrying amount of the old part, add what? New part. Yes, sir. And whatever value which you have, let's say, everyone, this 24,000 is this value. If you sell this engine, everyone, you are getting 5,000. आपका loss कितना हुआ? Carrying amount 24,000. You are getting 5,000 when you sell this as scrap. 19,000
19,000.
is your loss directly in P&L. Okay, everyone? Yes, sir. Chalo, this is done. Hanji, sir. Now, yeah. Everyone, please see this question. Let us do this question. One more question. See everyone. Please do it, everyone. Read the question, start doing it. Draw the timeline and just do the calculation. I am not saying you to do from the theory point of view. Just do calculation sufficient. Theory अपन करेंगे कल question where all the concepts of IAS 16 will be tested in one question. Theory question. The tip to pass your SBR exam is one thing. You have to attend the class every day properly. If you think, sir, we will watch recording, etc. The initial topics will be simple, etc. But slowly, new topics will come, you have to attend. Consistency is very, very important to clear the exam. What's the value here, everyone? Please say me what's the depreciation here.
Six two five zero. सर यूजफुल 7 होगी ना, उसमें आपने 6 लिखा.
हाँ सर, बट वैल्यू तो सेम आएगा ना.
हाँ यस सर.
करेक्ट है क्या? कैरिंग अमाउंट? नहीं नहीं नहीं, कैरिंग अमाउंट गलत है ना कि करेक्ट है? It's wrong.
और फिर कैरिंग अमाउंट कर लेते 56.
It will be 50?
56,000.
56,000. Then how much will this be? 60.
61,000.
मैं लिख रहा हूँ, तुम लोग बोल ही नहीं रहे हो. वैल्यू करेक्ट है.
81,000.
Yes sir. So what is the total depreciation for the fourth year, everyone? कितना आ रहा है ये?
14,250.
So what will be the carrying amount here, everyone?
Sir, 14.
66750.
66750. Yes sir. So with this, everyone, component accounting is done.
सर वो 14,250 होगा.
कौन सा?
जो 15,250 है.
डेप्रिसिएशन टोटल.
वैल्यू करेक्ट बताओ बाबा लो. Yes sir. So with this, everyone, this part is done. So today we have done the definition, recognition, initial measurement, the depreciation, component accounting. Tomorrow again we will revise component accounting. 2 more points I have to discuss. We will do that. We'll do revaluation and we will do derecognition. And with this, IAS 16 will be done. Yes sir. Now everyone, मैंने बोला था ना, I'll show you question. Let me check whether I have the pre-mock question. नहीं मिल रहा मैं तो yeah. This is a pre-mock question which was tested in what the previous attempt. June 2026 एग्जाम में आया था everyone. Now everyone, this topic अपन अभी तक किया नहीं है, but this one. Now, this question is that see the requirement है. तुम लोग शॉक हो जाओगे. क्वेश्चन कितने मार्क्स का है? 8 marks. A pure IAS 16 question. Now, this is the entire theory which is there relating to this one, everyone. Now, this includes 2 standards together, IAS 8 and IAS 16 together. Now, if you read ना, आपको बहुत ज्यादा confusion होगी कि सर क्या है, समझ में कुछ आ नहीं रहा. But will not read the question. We will just read the answer so that you get to know कि सर ये जो points अपन ने पढ़े थे, are these covering or not? The points which we have done. Everyone, please see this. I am giving you 2 minutes. Please read this answer. The topic is practical. Calculation we have done till now. But the question which was tested in the with पिछले attempt, 8 marks theory question, IAS 16. Many students will say कि sir question will come out of the box. I don't know. Whatever you learn, question will be from that one. ये topic क्या है? Calculation नहीं होगा, theory होगा. Done, everyone? Some points will be out of the box, but some points you are able to relate. Yes or no? The question was for 8 marks, everyone. If you had written some points, 4 to 5 points also, which you are knowing, can I say out of 8, you easily you are able to score 5 marks or not? The important point is that out of 8, you should score 5. That is important. Now you see 2 or 3 points. I know this point, and there are 1 or 2 points which are out of the box. समझ में नहीं आ रहा because these are related to some other standards or some other topic. समझ में आया? अभी पूरा क्या किया था अपन ने? Till now what did we do? पूरा calculation किया. The question which came in the exam was what? Theory. Now to write this theory, can I say first your application or the concept should be clear or not? अगर concept ही नहीं clear है, then how will you write down how the accounting for component accounting is done? Understanding, everyone? Yeah. The marking scheme also was given by the examiner. Understood, everyone? So with this, today we have done this topic. So tomorrow we'll continue with component accounting, revaluation, and the derecognition. So with this, everyone, let us end the session. If you have any doubts, you can wait and you can ask me. So with this, everyone, bye bye. Have a good day. Signing off. Radha Chu. Everyone, let us meet tomorrow and complete this standard.